A TSA Redress Number is a unique identifier assigned to individuals who have experienced travel delays or difficulties due to being mistakenly identified as a security threat. The Transportation Security Administration provides this number to help resolve issues and expedite the screening process for those affected. To obtain a TSA Redress Number, you must submit an application through the Department of Homeland Security Traveler Redress Inquiry Program. This program is designed to help travelers who have been incorrectly identified as a security risk or have experienced repeated delays during the screening process. The first step in applying for a TSA Redress Number is to gather required documents, including a copy of your government-issued ID and any relevant travel documents. You will also need to provide detailed information about your travel history, including dates, flight numbers, and any issues you have experienced during the screening process. Once you have gathered the necessary documents, you can submit your application online or by mail. The application will ask for your personal and travel information, as well as a detailed description of the issues you have experienced. It is essential to provide accurate and complete information to ensure that your application is processed correctly. After submitting your application, it will be reviewed by the Department of Homeland Security. If your application is approved, you will be assigned a unique TSA Redress Number, which you can use when booking flights or going through security checkpoints. This number will help to identify you and prevent any unnecessary delays or screenings. It is essential to note that a TSA Redress Number is not a guarantee of expedited screening, but it can help to resolve issues and reduce the risk of delays. To get the most out of your TSA Redress Number, make sure to provide it to your airline when booking your flight and have it readily available when going through security checkpoints. In addition to obtaining a TSA Redress Number, there are other best practices you can follow to minimize the risk of delays during the screening process. These include arriving at the airport early, using TSA PreCheck or other expedited screening programs, and being prepared to provide required documents and information. By understanding what a TSA Redress Number is and how to obtain one, you can take the first step in resolving travel-related issues and ensuring a smoother screening process. Remember to provide accurate and complete information when applying, and always have your TSA Redress Number readily available when traveling.